Now I only intend to make our country even stronger by following her brilliant example of a strong-willed leadership and decisive governance. Madam President, we raise our glasses tonight for the invaluable contributions that you have made as a public servant. May your legacy shine through to inspire the millions of Filipinos as we move forward in realizing our dream of building a better and more prosperous Philippines for all. Daghang salamat, and I'll just do it myself. I'll give you the toast. Believe ako sa iyo, ma'am. Kasi you might want to know that even when I was mayor and for the years that President Arroyo was there, I was really working for her. Of course, wala akong pinatay na tao na utos niya. Pinatay ko na lang kasi feeling ko gusto niya.